What's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to winterize a first generation Evinrude E-TEC. This is a 2009 with 130 horsepower. Alright guys, first thing we need to do is add some fuel stabilizer. I am using official Evinrude fuel stabilizer. Just add the recommended amount based on how much gas you have in the tank. Just a quick tip, if you don't use your boat very often and for the last fill of the season, I recommend that you use some ethanol free fuel. Ethanol tends to attract water and that can cause some corrosion issues. The manual for certain model years is that you can use the port right here with an adapter to cool the engine while you winterize it. I feel that the water inlet port at the lower unit provide a lot better water flow, so I'll be using it to cool the engine. I'll just be attaching this muff, which attaches to the garden hose. Obviously, we need to turn on the water and make sure that it's flowing properly. Before starting the engine, we'll need to lift the high idle lever all the way up. Now we need to keep an eye on the indicator light. All of them will be lit up as you can see right here. After about 15 seconds, they will all turn off. We'll then need to pull down the high idle lever. The lights will all turn back on again, and we'll wait another 15 seconds. Once the lights has turned off again, we'll need to lift the high idle lever up. And as you can hear, the engine is now idling higher and the lights are all flashing. This is an indicator that the engine has entered the fogging mode. What it's really doing in this process is it's injecting extra oil into the engine to coat the internal surfaces. This keeps the engine from rusting when it's stored for a long period of time. So the engine will run like this for about 2 minutes and it will automatically shut down. Once it's shut down, you're all done. Thanks for watching.